Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn affiliate marketing for beginners. First, grasp the core concept of affiliate marketing and its operational flow. Next, pinpoint a specific niche that genuinely interests you and identify your target audience. Finally, research and select relevant products or services that align perfectly with your chosen niche and audience needs. Once your niche is set, it's time to build your platform. This could be a blog, a YouTube channel, or even a strong social media presence. Focus on creating truly valuable content that educates or entertains your audience. Remember to integrate your chosen affiliate links naturally, ensuring they add value rather than just appearing as advertisements. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Your support truly helps. On another note, if you're looking to enhance your workspace or just enjoy some tunes while you learn, consider the Echo Dot Smart Speaker. It's a fantastic addition. You can find the link for it and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. With your platform and content ready, the next step is driving traffic. Utilize search engine optimization, or SEO, to help people find your content organically. Share your work across social media platforms and consider paid advertising for faster reach. Always analyze your performance data to understand what works best, allowing you to optimize and refine your strategies for greater success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.